Basic English versus Advanced English. Basic English. How are you? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? Advanced English. How is it going? How is it going? Basic English. I like you. I like you. मैं तुम्हें पसंद करती हूँ. Advanced English. I'm into you. I'm into you. Basic English. Can you check and tell me? Can you check and tell me? क्या आप मुझे चेक करके बता सकते हैं? Advanced English. Could you verify and inform me? Could you verify and inform me? Basic English. Tell me when you are free. Tell me when you are free. जब आप फ्री हों तो मुझे बताएं. Advanced English. Kindly confirm when are you available. Kindly confirm when are you available. Basic English. Can you ask about it? Can you ask about it? क्या तुम इसके मुतालिक पूछ सकते हो? Advanced English. Could you inquire about it? Could you inquire about it? Basic English. I don't know. I don't know. मैं नहीं जानता. Advanced English. I have no idea. I have no idea. Basic English. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. आपका दिन अच्छा रहे. Advanced English. Have a good one. Have a good one. Basic English. You can't trust me. You can't trust me. तुम मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हो. Advanced English. You can count on me. You can count on me. Basic English. I need some help. I need some help. मुझे कुछ मदद की ज़रूरत है. Advanced English. I require assistance. I require assistance.